Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's in Apron. Smoky meatballs and pasta. Does that sound good? Well, come on over here because we're going to make it. Now me, y'all know what, I'm going to take the easy route. Meatballs. You can make your own meatballs. I am using the Walmart brand. And I'm putting them in the oven. Going to bake them on 350 for about 20 minutes. Just waiting for the oven to get warmed up. Now, over here, got a pot of water that's going to start boiling here real soon. So we're going to go ahead and add some salt to that. Salt it to taste. But I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of salt to that. And then I have rigatoni that I'm going to use. I'm going to do that whole box. Yeah, the whole box. Also, I'm going to put some beef bouillon in the water over here. I'm going to use the cap. So just about a tablespoon of the beef bouillon to give the rigatoni a little extra beef flavor. Oh, yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. Smoked paprika. Right here I've got Worcestershire sauce, which is a tablespoon, and I've got a teaspoon of liquid smoke in there, and 3 cloves of garlic. Yep, there I do. Now I'm just using a can of pasta sauce. I've got in here, I've got some mozzarella cheese. I have the Colby Monterey Jack, and I have some extra mozzarella over here. I shredded my own Colby Monterey Jack, but I'm using the bagged Italian. That's what I had, mozzarella Italian style. And then I've got some Parmigiano Romano that we're going to use on it too. Alright, the oven is ready, so let's let's get y'all set right there while I put this in the oven. I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes, and then we'll be right back. While I'm waiting for this the pasta water to go ahead and start boiling, I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce, my smoky sauce. And that is 1 whole can of, it's the Hunt's in a can. That's the sauce I'm using. You use what you like. We're going to make this taste even better than it already does. And next is the tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, teaspoon of liquid smoke, and the garlic, 3 cloves of garlic crushed. I also decided I'm going to go ahead and put some onion powder in there too. So we're going to put that onion powder in. About a teaspoon of onion powder. Get that mixed in. And we're going to use a tablespoon of smoky paprika. Mix it in. And I'm going to put a little bit of this Parmesan cheese in there, Parmigiano Romano, about a handful. It'll thicken it up a little bit as it starts to cook. Now we've got our sauce ready. I'm going to give this a little stir over here. Just the water, waiting for it to boil. I'll turn it up some, so we can get that going. And then we'll be back in a few minutes. I went ahead and drained the pasta. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour the sauce in and get it mixed in. And then we're going to take our meatballs out of the oven. Smells good. You want to get it stirred up really good because you want that pasta sauce on all of these noodles. Not a noodle untouched. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. You click that subscription button and that notification button. Click all so you'll know every time I put new content on. Doesn't cost you a penny. Helps me out on the YouTube, letting them know that you like my content. If you would share it with your family and friends, I certainly would appreciate it. But back to cooking. Yeah. Oh, and over here, I forgot to tell y'all, over here I've got some, yeah. This is some garlic bread that I've got ready to stick in the oven. It's some keto bread, y'all, that we had here at the house. I put some butter on it, some garlic powder, a little bit of mozzarella, and a little bit of parsley. We'll put that in the oven last. And then I've got my cheese over here. So let's get this set out of the way and get our meatballs out of the oven. I don't want to burn them. Oh, I did go ahead and, I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I did spray my pan with some non-stick cooking spray. So, there's that. Alright, now, we're just going to sprinkle that on there. Let's get y'all down here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to sprinkle it all throughout the pan, my baking dish. Smoky pasta and meatballs. That's what this is. Get them tucked in there just a little bit so we can see some of the meatballs. This pour, just pour it the rest of the way in there. Here we go. There's that sauce in there. I'm just gonna smooth that pasta out some, or drop one in the floor maybe. Yes, I did. We'll get that cleaned up in a minute. As long as I don't step in it, I'm good. Okay. Now, let's get our cheese sprinkled on here. There's a lot of cheese, you all. Nice and cheesy. If you like cheese, then go for it. Now, I'm just going to put this back in the oven at the same temperature, 350 degrees. For about 10 minutes. Spilling cheese, ain't I? We don't want to do nothing like that. Alright, now let's sprinkle some parsley. If you don't, if you grow your own herbs, do you dehydrate what you don't use from fresh? We do here, and look at the color. Do you see the color of that parsley? Isn't that just beautiful? Beautiful, nice and green. Right, now let's get this popped back in the oven. I'll clean up my mess. And then I'll get back with y'all in about 10 minutes. Look at that. Doesn't that look tasty? Oh, the garlic smell from this and the garlic bread. Oh my goodness, it smells marvelous. I'm gonna let it sit here for just a few minutes and let that cheese soak on down in there. Let it get all settled in, and then we'll get it plated up, and we'll get Tom in here and let him get a good taste test. And let's go ahead and get this bread out of the oven. There's that. Doesn't that look tasty? Wow, so delicious looking, y'all. I've got just a bag salad over there. Oh, yes. Yes, please. I'm gonna have to sit you guys down right there because this cheese does not want to let go. So let me do that. Get this over here. Oh wow, this smells so good. Does indeed. Let's get him another meatball or two in there. Oh wow, you came in just in time.
I thought you said something about a taste test.
I did. Yeah. Look at that. It's very hot, mind you. Now, oh, you got your fork there, don't you?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, this smells amazing.
Doesn't it? Now be really careful because it just came out of the oven. He's just going to snag a bite of the pasta. Do you like the mixture? Does it taste smoky enough?
That's very good.
Awesome. Meatball time. Very hot. Haha. He likes it, y'all. Thumbs up. There we go. Well,
I'll see y'all later. I'll finish this, yeah.
well, there you go, guys. Smoky Pasta Meatballs. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.